Good morning, I'm meteorologist Michael White. This is our webcast on fox10tv.com for Wednesday morning. We're halfway through the work week and things around here are still staying the same. We've had scattered showers and storms yesterday. We're seeing them again this morning. And right in northern Baldwin County is where we are seeing one of those showers. Just to the north and east of Bay Minette, right around Perdido, across I-10 and I-65 and US 31. It's tracking from west to east, but it is not producing any lightning or thunder currently, and it's getting ready to move in towards Escambia County, Alabama, around Atmore. Elsewhere, we do have some light showers showing up around northern Greene County as well as Washington County. These showers are lighter than what is taking place in Baldwin County right now, but very intense thunderstorms with heavy rain are showing up on the Louisiana-Mississippi state line to the south of Willis, and that is also tracking to the east. Any showers or thunderstorms that form today will move from west to east, and we're going to see additional showers and storms forming in random spots, and the most will begin to fade away at sunset. Our atmosphere unstable because of high heat and humidity, and in the summertime we see this a lot. And one thing we also see in the summer is tropical weather in the Gulf of Mexico. We have our second tropical depression that's going to be making landfall late tonight, early tomorrow in southern Mexico. There's a chance this thing could briefly become a tropical storm. If it does, it would be given the name of Barry. But at the time we're doing this update, a little bit after 9 a.m., maximum sustained winds with this feature are at 35 miles an hour. And it does not look like it's going to be a very strong tropical storm if it even becomes one. Temperatures as of 9 o'clock, 79 degrees in the Port City, 84 in Pensacola, a pair of 82s for Gulf Shores and Fort Walton Beach. But we all know the actual temperature means nothing in the summer. It's how hot does it feel outside when we factor in humidity, and that's why we have the heat index. And the heat index value in Gulf Shores is at 87. In Pensacola, it's at 91. In Fort Walton Beach, it's at 89. So a very steamy Wednesday, and south winds are part of the reason we've been dealing with that this morning. But on the Panhandle, we're starting to get a northwest wind, and that will try to relieve some of that high humidity, but it's not going to succeed that much. Projected high today going to be 88 degrees with a heat index of about 95. The rain and storm odds will be at 40%, and the upper level flow pattern is westerly. That means showers and clouds will move from west to east. And you will notice that there is a boundary right around central Louisiana where the clouds are separated. Now you can see on the back side of that cloud line, everything is clear and quiet. Ahead of the cloud line, we do deal with scattered showers. That is because a frontal boundary is stalled in that spot, and the front is going to attempt to work its way to the south, but it's not really going to be succeeding that much. Fronts have a very hard time to push through the Gulf Coast in the summer. We're going to see it try to move down near I-10 by tonight, but for the most part, it's going to be staying right there. We remain ahead of it, which means we stay warm and humid and a bit showery. And the Futurecast model does reflect that. Remember, the biggest danger underneath summer's thunderstorms is the lightning. If you're close enough to hear the lightning, you're close enough. Or if you're close enough to hear thunder, you're close enough to get struck by lightning. Head indoors immediately if you begin to hear those rumbles. But by the time we head in towards this evening, any shower and storm activity will start to fade away, and things will be mainly quiet tonight, although it is possible by 1 a.m. we could see an isolated shower form around Pensacola and Destin and push off the coast fairly quickly. At the beach, the high will be 86 with a water temperature of 85, a moderate rip current risk. Scattered showers will, of course, be a part of the forecast, as they always are in the summer. High today, 88. Tonight, we'll dip down between 68 and 72. Will be mainly dry. And up on the 7-day planner, once we hit Sunday and Monday, high pressure attempts to work its way back in here. So we've knocked the rain chance down to 20% or less for both of those days. But highs for most of the 7-day forecast will be in the lower 90s, and overnight lows will be in the low 70s. That's your webcast. Thanks for watching right here on fox10tv.com.